We're going to be playing with the new Ultimate Rhinestone Applicator Kit, and I'm so excited about this. We are starting, and you'll have to go check it out on totallydazzled.com. They partnered with an amazing program that you can create cards to send to our servicemen and women. So handwritten cards that you decorate yourself, and we're gonna get to sparkling, y'all. Okay, I think we're gonna start with this one. But look at this one, it's so sweet. This one's probably one of my favorites with the dog tags. And as soon as I saw this one, I immediately thought of, do you remember this piece? The praying hands. I immediately thought, oh, I want to put those praying hands right there on that dog tag. So we're going to be using that, but we're going to bling it. I'm thinking about using the Crystal Shimmer. And I think we're going to go with a size 10. So you just pop that open. I get one of my little trays here. I'm going to pour some in there, right? So you see how so many of them are turned the wrong way? You just shake it, y'all, and look. They all just come the direction you want them. So again, I already had some glue open, y'all. This is some gym glue that I have. I'm just going to use this because, you know, I don't want to open up a new thing of glue. So I'm just going to come in and I'm going to hit some little points here. So it gives you a little bit of time to work with it. So we'll just do one letter at a time. So again, I'm going to use my little picker pen. It's got that waxy tip. And you're just going to come right in and pick it up and drop it. Oh my goodness. I like this one a lot. A lot. And just like that, look. See, that's the AB, or see, I call it AB. It's the Crystal Shimmer. The Crystal Shimmer. Let me let you see so far. See, it's like reflecting whatever color. That's the shimmer. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. So, isn't it an amazing challenge? So now, like I said, I cut a couple pieces of our bling wrap. And I think, and I always try to get it like as close to the sparkle as possible. Basically get off those the little teeny tiny like hairs per se. It's just the threading, but I cut it super close. And I think we're just gonna add that right here. So I'm actually gonna just use my gym glue. Just do a thin little line. I've never used it on that, but I think it'll be fine. And then we have, let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is really cute. So we just added that bling wrap. Now our praying hands, those we're gonna use our E6000 on that. Let me just slide that out of the way for a moment. Now, this is another one. I thought it was so sweet. Just has, these were designed by Totally Dazzled, so all of these are their original designs. I grabbed some ribbon. I even just want to make sure my end is getting straight. Okay, this I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac to get that down. It just takes a minute to get down there to the where it needs to be. If you use this glue and it gets low, store it upside down. Just make sure you do it with the lid on. So we're going to come in, I think we're going to use some of our colored stones on this one. And I'll trim any excess that we need to trim off of there. Okay. Just gonna trim that little excess piece off. So that's what we have so far. We just added that little ribbon. Y'all, I even grabbed some of our colored stone pieces. I thought this would be pretty on one of them. Oh my goodness, yes. Love that. All right, let me go ahead and glue our praying hands down. That way it'll be good and set up. By the time I finish this one, I can hold it up and show you. And again, I'm using some E6000 so it doesn't get knocked off in the mail. And just a little bit of hot glue. Whoa, stuff's falling. But, oh my goodness, y'all. I love that on here. Look. Is that not too sweet? Love, love it. And I may go back if I find something and add, but I kind of like the simplicity of it because I think just that right there speaks volumes. Thank you. And maybe even come in and say praying for, or praying for and praying for you, something like that. But the praying hands, love that on there. Okay, what are we gonna get into over here? Maybe we'll grab a couple trays. I do think I wanted to use the light sapphire. I thought would be really pretty on this. And it's nice that all of the names are on here for you and it tells you what little compartment it's in. So the light sapphire, that's in section 6. Yes. So we're going to sprinkle some of those out there. I wanted to use ruby. Ruby is number 1. Then I think, oh, dump in my ruby. It's okay, we'll get them a little bit. And then I think I'm going to use a few of the larger clear crystal. We need a few of those. Okay, we're going to add, I think we're going to put this right in the center. I think that's really cute. Y'all like it? You know what? We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna have fun. We're just gonna come straight in here, and I'm gonna add just around that rainbow, maybe halfway around the rainbow. And I'm just gonna start sticking our little light sapphire. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that light sapphire? So cute. So cute. I'm gonna grab some more of the just smaller ones, the crystal or clear. And I think I'm actually going to come in here and add the red. I'm just dotting it all the way around. Oh, cute, cute, cute. See the red? And then we're gonna take the other ones that we did. And we're gonna go ahead and pop those right down the center. So there is our sparkly rainbow. I do want to come in on these stars. This is what I'm going to add the bigger pieces of bling to here. I think I am going to use those small ones on all the stars. Literally on all the stars. So we'll do it on the bottom also, but look. Of course that glue isn't dry. We just added some to every one of those little stars up there. Okay. And then we're going to, this is concave, so I've really got to make sure I have glue hitting those edges. Carefully. Ooh. And we're gonna hold it. Okay. I wish this light would hit it. That thing is sparkling all over. Maybe if I got it a little bit closer. So we just added the ribbon. We used the clear rhinestones, the light sapphire, the ruby red. This is just a piece of the Totally Dazzled bling. And then on this one, we used the crystal shimmer with the bling wrap on the side and the praying hands. And y'all, I think that is so sweet. I absolutely love the way that they turned out.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.